Hi fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So basically today I'm going to be sharing with you how I converted my rinse out conditioner into this ayurvedic deep conditioner. If this is something you're interested in, just stay tuned and let's get started. So for this ayurvedic deep conditioner, first of all you need your rinse out conditioner, which is what I'm converting into the deep conditioner, and I also have here my oil, which is extra virgin olive oil, and then my ayurvedic powder. This is amla. I also have my neem powder. This is a very great ayurvedic powder for natural hair. And then the next one that I have is my moringa powder. Moringa is also another great powder to use on your hair. And so what I do is to just add about a tablespoon of the moringa powder into a container, and then I add also about a tablespoonful of the neem powder into the container. And the next thing I add is colloidal oats. This is very great. It has conditioning properties and also hair strengthening properties, which is why I'm using it. Now the next thing I'm also adding here is the amla powder. Amla is very good when it comes to hair conditioning, when it comes to hair strengthening, and so I'm also adding a little of my amla powder. Now this are the only herbs that I'm using, powders that I'm using. Now you can use any powder that you have, especially basing it on your hair needs, but these will provide you with strengthening and moisturizing properties. So the next thing I do is to add my extra virgin olive oil. Ideally, if you are to add the powders straightforward into the conditioner, you might end up having some lumps in the conditioner, which is why you have to mix it separately. Now you can mix it with either oils or with water, but I chose to use extra virgin olive oil to mix up the herbs. Now after I have done mixing up the herbs, this is what I have. Ideally, some people would prefer to use it like this on their hair, but this is where I add my rinse out conditioner, and you can add as many as rinse out conditioner as you want. You just need to make sure that there's rinse out conditioner in the product. Now after I have mixed it up, I add more of the rinse out conditioner because I feel like I needed more of the conditioner in there, and the conditioner will help you detangle your hair due to its detangling properties. So basically that is how I came about with this. Now neem leaves, as I used in this DIY product, has a great source of vitamins and minerals, and that helps with hair growth. It's also rich and has antibacterial and antifungal properties that helps treat dandruff. Moringa also help with hair loss, and it contains proteins, vitamins and minerals that helps to strengthen and nourish your hair. Amla powder also is rich in vitamins and tannins and other minerals that helps with hair growth, conditioning and strengthening. So you realize that all the ingredients that I used are very good for hair, and they also help to combat dry and frizzy hair and also strengthen the hair. Now to apply this, after you have shampoo what you need to do is to just apply this on your hair, just like how you apply your deep conditioners on your hair, and then you leave it on your hair for 15 to 30 minutes. Another great way to do it is to add heat to help with penetrating. But aside that, this is the conditioner, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.